Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It's February 23rd, 2012. Markets were very interested this morning as soon as USDA, or maybe these numbers were leaked from USDA, as far as their 2012 outlook. Now, a lot of concerns surrounding that. The expectation was they were going to be released tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. Well, here's what they're going to say. Corn was at 94 million acres. That's up 2.1 from last year. Beans at 75 million. That's unchanged from last year. And wheat sitting at 58 million acres. That's up 3.6 million acres from last year. So the grains took that information, and I guess it's what they'd expected. It's pretty close to what USDA's baseline projections had said a few weeks ago. Now, old crop corn ended up a little higher today, up about 3/4 of a cent. We had new crop corn down about 6 3/4. So we did find some pressure there as far as new crop. Most of the support for corn came in with China coming in and buying 120,000 tons of corn this morning. That's all old crop corn. That was a surprise. You had China continuing to say we're not going to buy corn until second quarter. Now they came in, bought some old crop corn. So the bulls in the market are saying, hey, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We'll have to see. I think what it's telling us, though, is that pullbacks will still be supported due to demand. Beans were up about 4.5 cents. So even though we're sitting unchanged with bean acres as far as what USDA's estimates are, we had the Rosario Grain Exchange come out today talking about Argentina's production. They're looking at a reduction down to 44.5 million tons as far as Argentina. That is down from 49.5 last month. So we are finding a reduction there. That kept beans a little stronger today. Still concerned about South American weather. It does seem like that we are going to, we're still looking at potential rainfall over the next 5 days in South America, so we'll see what kind of amounts we get. But right now the story is production yet, and we're still looking at some of these estimates coming in a little bit lower. Wheat dropped back 6 1/4 cents today with a 3.6 million acre increase this year expected from USDA. We did find wheat under pressure here all session. So looking at some of these other markets, though, we've got the dollar right now that's down about 42 cents. We've got the euro up about 94. Basically, there are concerns of European debt. The European debt concerns are easing a little bit more, which in turn gives a little support to the euro and pushes our dollar down a little bit more. We'll see if that follows through into tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. We could see a lot of movement in these markets ahead of a weekend. Crude oil, another big day in crude. Crude jumped up about $1.50. Right now, sitting near that 108 a barrel. So continuing to push higher at this point, and looks to be pretty strong here for these charts. So we may finish the week out pretty strong as well, but we do see crude oil continuing to push higher here at this point. As far as livestock, we had a cold storage report yesterday that was weighing on the markets today. Yesterday afternoon, the cold storage report came in with larger stocks in storage for beef and pork. So we had fat cattle falling back right now, about $1.35 in April. We had the hogs down about 60 cents today as well. So taking a break. We've had a huge run in cattle and hogs, for that matter, this week. Now we're starting to push back a little bit. We're also hearing rumors out there of cash cattle trading, western Nebraska at 128. So that's unchanged from last week. So we'll see how that's going to affect the market as we get in tomorrow as well. But, we have found a little bit of a setback right now. You're probably still going to find some support at lower levels here for livestock. But we'll see if we can get a little bit deeper setback yet. So give us a call with any questions you may have, 800-262-7538, or check us out right there online at allendale-inc.com. I hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great rest of the week. Take care.